Register now.
Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. How are you all? I really hope you guys are doing good. But it's very cold out there, so wear warm clothes and you can enjoy this session with a hot cup of chai or coffee, Horlicks, Bonvita, kuch bhi. So the story behind the names of your favorite elements. So not only elements, I guess everyone has an interesting story behind their names, right? So how did I get my name? So I asked my mom and she told me that she had decided. She wasn't even married then, she had decided, so if it's a girl, I am gonna name her Surabhi. So we all do our research, right? If you ask me, I know I have decided what to name my daughter, but I'm not gonna reveal it now. And one day my aunt, that is my mom's elder sister, she decided to name her daughter Surabhi, and my mom was not at all happy. So they had a fight, and then my mom owned, thankfully, because I love my name. And yes, so after 4 to 5 years, I was born and I am Surabhi now. The names, the story behind the names of few elements. So that is what we will be discussing in today's video. Okay, so before that, if these are the problems which you guys are facing, like doubts, notes, tests, and assignments, competitive exams, choice of schedule, choice of language. So what if I say there is this one-stop solution for all of your problems? Yes, problems solved along with some bonuses too. Micro courses, crash courses, micro courses, my absolute favorite. You already know that. So just visit the link given in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Choose your grade, board, click on to the get subscription, and if you need additional discount, everyone loves discount, right? So you can use the coupon code SURPRO, SURPRO. Yep. So chlorine. Yes, if I ask you to say a few words about chlorine, we all say we all start with, it's a very reactive non-metal. It has 7 valence electron with valency 1 and it is in the group 17, right? But why is it called as chlorine? Why not orin? So in the Greek, chloros meaning greenish yellow. See, you can see this is the chlorine gas, and what color can you see? It's kind of greenish yellow, right? So that exactly is the reason why this element was called as chlorine. Copper. So the Roman Empire, they used to obtain this particular metal from the island of Cyprus. From the island of Cyprus, okay? So of the coast of Cyprus. So that exactly is the reason. So this metal was named as cuprum. So cuprum is its Latin name, and its atomic symbol has also been derived from its Latin name, right? And its English name is copper. Gold. So gold, you can see it is very shiny. It has a reflective surface, right? It's kind of yellowish in color, and in Latin, aurum meaning shining dawn. So that exactly is the reason, by looking at its physical properties and its appearance, so the discoverers decided to call it as aurum, and that is its Latin name, and its atomic symbol is Au, right? But in English we call it as gold. Helium. So Helios means the sun. Okay, Helios means the sun. So where helium was first found. Helium gas, which has the atomic number 2, which is a noble gas. So in Greek, Helios means helium means the sun. So, and they didn't want to name it as Helios, okay, because it has to be in accordance with other elements too, right? And that is the reason it has been called as helium. Hydrogen. Hydro means water and genes means forming. So for the formation of water, what do we need? Hydrogen and oxygen. So as hydrogen is a very important metal in the formation of water, this element was called as hydrogen. Hydro, water, genes. Gen is forming. Magnesium. So there is this interesting story behind discovery of magnesium. So one day the farmer was trying to give water to his cows, but they refused to drink it. And he was wondering why, because but that the same water could heal the scratches and rashes and all that, and it became very famous And then they discovered that there is this magnesium sulfate, the salts of magnesium present in that water. And later, so a scientist named as Davy, he isolated magnesium, and so as the word magnesia, so it was not called as magnesium first, but magnesia, which is a district in a thistle. Okay, so magnesium, so it is from the word magnesia. So mercury, so in Latin it is hydrargyrum, so meaning liquid silver. So its appearance, it looks like liquid silver, right? Its movements and all that. So, and after the planet Mercury, so this element has been called as mercury. So in Latin that is the reason its atomic symbol is Hg, hydrargyrum. So phosphorus, so when it is exposed to oxygen, it emits this faint white light. Okay, light bearing. So phosphorus means light bearer. So as it emits that faint white light or glow, so it has been called as phosphorus. Promethium. So after Prometheus, who according to Greek mythology stole fire from the gods on Mount Olympus, so what happened was, this promethium is a radioactive element, okay, so which has, like, it is a very strong one too, but it can be misused. It can affect the human intellect too. So for that exact reason, it has been called as promethium. So that too, the one of the wife of the one of the discoverers, did I say wives? So wife of the one of the discoverers of this element decided to call this element as promethium. So it was called as Prometheus first, but as I told you, in the periodic table, most of the elements, their names ends with "ium", right? To be in accordance with other elements, it is called as promethium. Oxygen. So again, gen, forming, oxy is acids. So scientists believe that for the formation of acids, oxygen is very much necessary. So that is, oxygen is present in all the acids. That's what they believe. But of course, it's not true, right? Hydrogen is necessary. So, but that's what they believed then. And that exactly is the reason this was called as oxygen. Oxygen meaning the acid, and genes is forming. So this is it about the story behind the names of few elements, and do let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, and do you know the story behind the names of any other elements which I have not covered yet. That means, are we planning to come up with part 2? That depends on your response. So do let me know in the comment section, how was the video? Did you enjoy? Did you get to learn something new? And if you have not enrolled into Master Scholarship Admission Test yet, come on, do it. Choose your grade, board, click on to the get subscription to buy the pro subscription, and the coupon code is SURPRO. Thank you so much for watching the video till now. It was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it. And if you hit that bell icon, you will always know whenever I'm live or whenever we are premiering the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.